So, good morning, everyone. Good morning. Hi. Hi, Aditya. So, today we are going to take trigonometry, prove that sums. So, I'm waiting for my students to join so that we can start our trigonometry. So, 1 minute more and we'll be starting. Let us wait for others. Let them join. So, from where you are, just let me know from where you are, Patel. Can you tell me from which city? Okay, definitely I will be explaining identities of trigonometry. But from where you are? I'm from Sangamner. From where you are, let me know. So there are three identities actually. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. The another one is 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta. And okay, you are from MP. So do you know Marathi? So now sevens have joined, so I think we should go towards our first sum. And those who have joined just now, I request you. Okay, you don't know Marathi. Okay. So I request you to please do like the video. जे पण व्हिडिओला जॉईन झालेले आहेत त्यांनी व्हिडिओला लाईक करून टाका. प्लीज डू लाईक द व्हिडिओ. And let us move towards the first sum of today. Okay, I will be speaking Hindi and English. Okay, no problem. So let's move towards the first sum. Hi. Those who have joined, I request you to please do like the video. And let us start with the first sum. And let me know those who have joined just now. So first of all, we have that prove that sum that sine square upon cos theta plus cos theta is equals to sec theta. Okay, everyone. So here what is LHS? The left hand side is called LHS and right hand side is called as RHS. So every time we have to begin our sum from LHS and we have to move towards the RHS. So what is LHS? So LHS is sine square theta upon cos theta plus cos theta. Okay. So yes, Aditya. So now what we are going to do? We are going to do uh, cos theta and here it is 1. So what is denominator? Here it is cos theta and here it is 1. So we will take LCM, that is cos theta. So here it is cos theta. So numerator as it is we will write sine square theta. But here it is 1. So cos square into cos square, cross multiply. So cos into cos, that is cos square theta. Now you know trigonometric identity, which is that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. This trigonometric identity we are going to use. So what will be my LHS? in place of sine square theta plus cos square theta, I will be putting 1. So 1 upon cos theta, and you know 1 upon cos theta is a sec theta, and that is equals to RHS. So LHS is equals to RHS, hence it is proved. Okay, so thus we have completed our first one, and let's move towards the second one now. Yes, definitely we are going towards the second one, and if you have joined just now, I want you to give some replies so that I will be knowing who have joined just. Okay, so see here it is second sum, that is cos square theta in the bracket 1 plus tan square theta is equals to 1. So is equals to this side is called LHS, and is equals to right hand side is called RHS. Always we have to start from LHS and we have to move towards the RHS. Okay. So what is LHS? So let us write LHS. So what is LHS? That is cos square theta into bracket 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, now here I am going to use that second identity. And what is that identity? That 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta. So this trigonometric identity I am going to use. So in place of 1 plus tan square theta, we can write sec square theta. So what will be my LHS? LHS is equals to cos square theta into, in place of 1 plus tan square theta, I am going to put sec square theta. Okay everyone, and those who have joined, just reply it so that I will be knowing that yes, uh, yes, correct, Aditya. So sec square theta means what? You know the formula that sec theta is 1 upon cos theta. So here it is sec square theta, so 1 upon cos square theta. And this cos square cancel, that is equals to 1. And therefore LHS is equals to RHS, hence it is proved. So everybody understood? Those who have joined, please reply me. Yes, Aditya, you are absolutely correct. Others also, please reply me so that we can move forward. So shall we move to the next sum now? So I think we should move towards the third sum of today. So here we are on the third sum. Yes, I am from Sangamner. It is in Ahilyanagar, Maharashtra. Okay. So now it is LHS, that is 1 minus sine theta upon 1 plus sine theta. But it is in square root. Square root 1 minus sine theta upon 1 plus sine theta. That is equals to sec theta minus tan theta. So this side is LHS. This side is RHS. So let us start from LHS. See, what is my LHS? That is 1 minus sine theta upon 1 plus sine theta. Okay. So what we are going to do? Yes, definitely. Hi Arnav, I am happy that you have joined just. Just do like the video and let us do. I am on third sum of prove that. So now be concentrated. So here what I am going to do, here it is 1 plus sine theta. So its conjugate is 1 minus sine theta upon 1 minus sine theta. So what I have done, that 1 plus sine theta conjugate 1 minus sine theta, that we have multiplied and divide. So I multiply and divide, so I have not changed the ratio. Okay. So now see here 1 minus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta. Yes, Naren, good that you have joined us. Okay, no problem. Now concentrate in the class. Very good, Aditya. So everyone see 1 minus sine theta, 1 minus sine theta. So 1 minus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta means, suppose this is A and this is A. So A into A, that is A square, means 1 minus sine theta bracket square. Okay. And here it is denominator 1 plus sine theta, 1 minus sine theta. So this is A plus B a minus b. So a plus b, a minus b, that is a square, means 1 square is 1, minus b square means sine square theta. Okay, so now here we are going to use, that is identity, trigonometric identity. Yes, trigonometric identity we are going to use. So what is that trigonometric identity? Sine square theta. And if you have joined just now, I request you to please like the video la like karun taka. So we are going to use identity, that is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Now this sine square theta, if I will jump to right hand side, it will be negative. So what will be that? Cos square theta is 1 minus sine square theta. Okay, so this we are going to use. So in place of 1 minus sine square theta, I am going to put cos square theta. So what will be my LHS? Numerator we will be writing as it is 1 minus sine theta bracket square, and denominator in place of 1 minus sine square theta we are going to put cos square theta. Now this is square root and these are square, so square and square root will cancel each other. So square and square root will cancel each other, and what will happen? Tell me. See, those who have not yet liked the video, please like it. So see, 1 minus sine theta square and square root cancel. So what is left? That is 1 minus sine theta. And cos square theta, and it is square root. The square root square cancel, that is cos theta. Now let us separate them. So 1 upon cos theta minus sine theta upon cos theta. Now see, 1 upon cos theta, that is sec theta, and sine upon cos, that is tan theta. And this is only our RHS, sec theta minus tan theta. Yes, okay, bye. So sec theta minus tan theta, that is only RHS. Those who have joined just now, please reply me whether you understood or not. Naren, Arnav, please reply me, both of you, if you have joined just. So did you understood, both of you? Please reply and just like the video fast. Video la like karun taka. आणि हे okay Naren, very good Naren that you have given answer, and do like the video also. आणि अर्णव तू पण जॉईन झालेला होता ना, तर अर्णव यू ऑल्सो आन्सर मी. सो आता आपण आपल्या नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चनकडे जाणार आहोत, दॅट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. ओके, सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 आहे, ज्याच्यामध्ये LHS काय आहे? सेक थिटा मायनस टॅन थिटा, अँड दुसऱ्या ब्रॅकेटमध्ये कॉट थिटा प्लस टॅन थिटा, आणि ह्याचा आन्सर आपल्याला टॅन आणि सेक आणायचं आहे. तर जेव्हा मी तुम्हाला शिकवत होते तेव्हा पण मी तुम्हाला यस अर्णव व्हिडिओला लाईक करून टाक. ओके, सो मी तुम्हाला काय सांगितलेलं की इथे सेक आहे, कॉस आहे, कॉट आहे आणि टॅन आहे, आणि इथे फक्त टॅन आणि सेक आहे. अशा वेळेस ह्या सगळ्याचं कन्व्हर्जन आपल्याला साईन अँड कॉसमध्ये करायचं असतं. ओके, सो लेट अस स्टार्ट फ्रॉम LHS. नेहमी सम LHS पासून स्टार्ट करायचं आहे आणि RHSकडे जायचं आहे. ओके, सो इथे कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ठेवा. आता काय LHS आहे? सेक थिटा मायनस कॉस थिटा आणि कॉट थिटा प्लस टॅन थिटा. तर मी तुम्हाला आधीच समजवलेलं होतं की ह्याचं आपल्याला कन्व्हर्जन करायचं आहे. कशात आपल्याला कन्व्हर्जन करायचं आहे? साईन आणि कॉस. तर पहा, कॉस सेक म्हणजे काय? 1 अपॉन कॉस. ओके, आणि कॉस थिटा अपॉन 1 लिहू. ओके, सो दॅट इज 1 ब्रॅकेट. अँड कॉट थिटा म्हणजे काय? कॉस थिटा अपॉन साईन थिटा. आणि टॅन थिटा म्हणजे काय? साईन थिटा अपॉन कॉस थिटा. ओके, सो आता आपण LCM घ्यायचा आहे. सो LCMकडे सगळ्यांनी कॉन्सन्ट्रेट करायचे. एव्हरीबडी ऑफ यू कॉन्सन्ट्रेट ऑन LCM. तर पहा, इथे कॉस आणि 1 आहे, तर कॉस थिटा होईल. आता कॉस थिटा इथे ऑलरेडी आहे म्हणून 1 तसाच लिहायचा, पण इकडे 1 आहे म्हणून कॉस थिटा इंटू कॉस थिटा करायचं, दॅट इज कॉस स्क्वेअर थिटा. ओके, आणि सेकंड ब्रॅकेटमध्ये पहा काय होणार आहे. तिकडे लक्ष द्यायचं आहे सगळ्यांनी. सेकंड ब्रॅकेटमध्ये काय होणार आहे, साईन कॉस हे आपलं LCM होणार आहे, साईन थिटा अँड कॉस थिटा. आता इथे साईन थिटा आहे म्हणून हा कॉस थिटा आणि हा कॉस थिटाचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन, कॉस इंटू कॉस काय होणार, कॉस स्क्वेअर थिटा. सिमिलरली इकडे कॉस आहे म्हणून ह्या साईन आणि ह्या साईनचं साईन स्क्वेअर थिटा. तर इथे पुन्हा आपण ट्रिग्नॉमेट्रिक आयडेंटिटीचा यूज करणार आहोत. तर काय आहे आपली ट्रिग्नॉमेट्रिक आयडेंटिटी, दॅट इज साईन स्क्वेअर थिटा प्लस कॉस स्क्वेअर थिटा इज इक्वल्स टू 1. तर ह्याचा आपण इकडे साईन स्क्वेअर थिटा प्लस कॉस स्क्वेअर थिटा आहे तिकडे 1 लिहूया. आणि जर मी हा कॉस स्क्वेअर इकडे घेतला तर काय होतं, साईन स्क्वेअर थिटा इज इक्वल्स टू 1 मायनस कॉस स्क्वेअर थिटा. हे पहा, हा जो कॉस स्क्वेअर थिटा आहे त्याला आपण इकडे घेतलं तर हा जो 1 मायनस कॉस स्क्वेअर थिटा आहे त्याच्या जागी मी काय लिहू शकते, साईन स्क्वेअर. सो LHS काय होणार आहे, सगळ्यांनी कॉन्सन्ट्रेट केलं तर सगळ्यांना कळणार आहे. तर इथे सगळ्यांचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन राहू द्या जे पण जॉईन झालेले आहेत. तर पहा इथे 1 मायनस कॉस स्क्वेअर थिटा, तर 1 मायनस कॉस स्क्वेअर थिटाच्या जागी काय होईल, साईन स्क्वेअर. सो साईन स्क्वेअर झालं, अपॉन काय आलं, कॉस थिटा, इंटू कॉस स्क्वेअर प्लस साईन स्क्वेअर, कॉस स्क्वेअर प्लस साईन स्क्वेअर आयडेंटिटी यूज करू 1 अपॉन साईन थिटा इंटू कॉस थिटा. ओके. तर आता पहा तुम्ही, हा जो साईन स्क्वेअर आहे त्याला आपण लिहू शकतो साईन थिटा इंटू साईन थिटा अपॉन हा आहे कॉस थिटा इंटू 1 अपॉन साईन थिटा कॉस थिटा. तर तुम्हाला कळलं आहे, साईन स्क्वेअर थिटाचं मी साईन थिटा इंटू साईन थिटा केलं आहे, यस नरेन. आणि इथे कॉस थिटा तसाच आणि 1 अपॉन साईन. आता काय होईल, हा साईन आणि हा साईन जाईन. तर पहा साईन अपॉन कॉस म्हणजे काय होईल, so what will happen, sin upon cos that will be tan theta and 1 upon cos that is sec theta, and that is only our RHS, hence it is proved. Okay, so what is that, LHS is equals to RHS, hence it is proved. Did you both of you understood? Please reply, hence it is proved. All of you understood? If you have understood, then we can move forward. Please reply Naren and Arnav if you have understood. Very good Naren and Arnav, please reply me. So let's move towards the next sum now. जर आज कॉन्सन्ट्रेट केलं तर ही प्रॅक्टिस आपली होऊन जाईल. व्हेरी गुड अर्नव, very good both of you. So for you only I am teaching here. So see now, cot theta plus tan theta is equals to cosec theta into sec theta. तर इथे पण हाच आहे की लेफ्ट हँड साईडला कॉट अँड टॅन आहे आणि राईट हँड साईडला ट्रिग्नॉमेट्रिक रेशो कोसेक अँड सेक आहे. सो वेन द रेशोज आर डिफरंट I have told you that we have to convert into sin and cos. So let us take LHS and convert it into sin and cos. So what is LHS? LHS is cot theta plus tan theta. So what is cot theta? Cot theta means cos theta upon sin theta. And what is tan theta? That is sin theta upon cos theta. So look at the denominators. Here it is sin, here it is cos. So what will be my LCM? That is sin theta into cos theta. Here it is sin theta. So cos theta and cos theta, there will be cross multiplication, and cos into cos, that is cos square theta. Plus here it is cos. So sin and sin, there will be cross multiplication, sin into sin, that is sin square theta. Now again we are going to use that same trigonometric identity, that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Okay. So what we are going to write, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. This trigonometric identity I am going to use. So what will be my LHS? In place of sin theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta, we are going to write it 1. So LHS will be 1 upon sin theta and 1 upon cos theta. So in place of cos square plus sin square, I have written 1. So 1 upon sin, that is cosec theta, and 1 upon cos, that is sec theta, and that is only my RHS. Hence it is proved. So did every one of you understood? Please reply those who have joined so that we can move forward. And if you have any questions, then also you can ask me. Please reply fast so that we can move forward. Both of you, please. So Arnav has said yes and Naren has said yes. So let's move to the next question. Good, both of you. You are very good. Concentration is there. And let's move to the sixth sum of today. And that is 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta is equals to sec theta plus tan theta. Okay. So what is my LHS? LHS is 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. Okay. So what I am going to do with the conjugate sec theta plus tan theta, we are going to multiply and divide. So sec theta minus tan theta. In another bracket, we are multiplying and dividing by conjugate. So sec theta plus tan theta upon sec theta plus tan theta. So thus we multiplied, and I think for your unit test, these sums will come for 2 or 3 marks, not more. More than 3 marks it won't come, but I think minimum 2 or 2 prove that's will be there in the paper. Okay. सो प्रूव्ह दॅटला प्रॅक्टिसची खूप गरज असते. कमी प्रॅक्टिस झाली ना तर चुका होतात आपल्या. सो 1 इंटू सेक थिटा प्लस टॅन थिटा, दॅट इज सेक थिटा प्लस टॅन थिटा. ओके. अँड हिअर sec theta minus tan theta, sec theta plus tan theta. Let us compare it with a minus b, a plus b. So a minus b, a plus b, that is a square means sec square minus b square means tan square theta. So let us use again this trigonometric identity. And what is that trigonometric identity? That is 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta. And if I will take tan square here, then what will happen? 1 is equals to sec square theta minus tan square theta. Okay. So in place of sec square theta minus tan square theta, what we are going to prove? That 1. So let us put it in place of sec square minus tan square 1. So what will be my LHS? LHS will be sec theta plus tan theta upon 1. And that is only our RHS. Hence it is proved. Did both of you understood this sum? Here we have used trigonometric identity, that is sec 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta. Please reply me so that we can move forward. Okay, Naren. Very good, Naren. And Arnav, please reply so that we can move forward. Okay, Arnav, both of you are very good concentration. It's Abhishek Patel. Okay, good morning. Good morning. And do like the video if you have joined. So see here, we are on the 7th sum, that is sin 4 theta minus cos 4 theta is equals to 1 minus 2 cos square theta. So always we are going to start sum from LHS and we have to read towards the RHS. So what is there in LHS? So in LHS it is sin 4 theta minus cos 4 theta. Okay, so let us write that sin 4 theta minus cos 4 theta. So sin 4 theta we can write sin square theta square minus cos square theta square. So 2's are 4 and here also 2's are 4. But here we are going to use that most important formula, that is a square minus b square. So a square minus b square, what is the answer? That is a minus b, a plus b. So here in place of sine square, let us take a, and in place of cos square, let us take b. So a square minus b square. So what will be the answer? That is a minus b, a plus b. So let us write LHS. So what is LHS? That is a minus b means sine square minus cos square, sine square minus cos square, and a plus b means sine square theta plus cos square theta. Now here we are going to use trigonometric identity. And what is that trigonometric identity? That sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So this is trigonometric identity. So in place of sine square theta plus cos square theta, I am going to put 1. So what will be my LHS? LHS will be sine square theta minus cos square theta into 1. But now we are going to replace sine square theta. Again, I am going to use this same trigonometric identity. Hi. Uh, See, again we are going to use the same trigonometric identity. If I will take this cos square theta here, so what will be my trigonometric identity? That will be sine square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. Okay. So this trigonometric identity we are going to put in LHS. So in place of sine square theta, we are going to put 1 minus cos square theta. So replace sine square now. So what will be my LHS? LHS. In place of sine square theta, I am going to put 1 minus cos square theta and minus cos square theta. So minus cos square theta minus cos square theta, that is minus 2 cos square theta, and 1 minus 2 cos square theta, that is only my RHS. So LHS is equals to RHS, hence it is proved. Did every one of you understood? Please reply me. If you understood, then we can move forward. Please everyone reply it fast. All of you. So please reply me fast everyone. Okay, Arnav and Naren, you have replied me, and Lalit also replied it. Okay. So let's move to next question. Yeah, definitely we can write that also. Yes. So now we are on the question 8. So now you can see on the screen question number 8. Okay. So here we are on question number 8, that sec theta plus tan theta is equals to cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta. So here LHS sec and tan is there, and RHS cos sin is there. So this sec and tan we are going to convert in cos and sin. So let's begin from LHS. Okay. So let us start. Oh, okay. Nice to meet you, Mr. Lalit. LHS. So I have also done MSc Physics B.Ed. What is LHS? That is sec theta plus tan theta. Okay. So sec theta is 1 upon cos theta, and tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. So what will be that? 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta. So cos theta we have taken common. Okay everyone. So everybody of you do concentrate and don't lose your concentration. So I think first 2-3 steps you have understood very well, so that we can move forward. So see now what we are going to do here. We are going to multiply and divide by 1 minus sin theta. Okay. So let us multiply it by 1 minus sin theta and divide by 1 minus sin theta. So what is there in denominator? That is 1 minus sin theta, and for that we have multiply and divide by 1 minus sin theta. Okay. So see here now. Here it is 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta. A plus B A minus B? The answer is A square. A square means 1 square is 1 minus B square means sine square theta upon cos theta into 1 minus sine theta. So here we are going to use the trigonometric identity. And what is that trigonometric identity? Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So now what I am going to do, I am going to shift this sine square here. So what will happen? Cos square theta is 1 minus sine square theta. So this trigonometric identity we are going to use. So in place of 1 minus sine square theta, we are going to put cos square theta. Okay. So when I will replace it, what will be my LHS? My LHS, in place of 1 minus sine square theta, we are going to put cos square theta upon cos theta into 1 minus sine theta. So cos square theta, I can write cos theta into cos theta upon cos theta into 1 minus sine theta. Here you can see 1 cos theta will be cancelled, and what is left? That is cos theta upon 1 minus sine theta. Hence it is proved, because this is only your RHS. So LHS is equals to RHS. Hence it is proved. Please reply those who have joined. Did you understood, or any question is there? Then also you can ask me. Please reply it fast, everyone. Very good, Arnav. And Naren, if you are there, please reply it fast. Very good, Naren. So let's move to the next sum. We have completed 8 sum, and now we are on the 9th sum. So now you can see on the screen 9th sum. So here we are on the 9th question. So see here, if tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta is equals to 2, then show that tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is equals to 2. Okay. So let us start from given. And what is given? That tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta is equals to 2. So solution, tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta is equals to 2. It is given. Now taking square at both the sides, what we are going to do? We are going to take squares now. So taking square at both the sides, taking square at both the sides. Okay. So let us take square here. So what will happen? Tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta, bracket square is 2 square. Now here it is tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta. Here we are going to use our formula of a plus b bracket square. And what is the answer of a plus b bracket square that you know? A plus b bracket square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this formula we are going to use, and a is tan theta and b is 1 upon tan theta. So let us use this formula. So what will be the answer? A square means tan square theta plus 2. What is a? That is tan theta. What is b? 1 upon tan theta plus b square means 1 upon tan square theta, and that is equals to 2 square is 4. Now see here, this tan and this tan will be cancelled. Okay. So what will left? Tan square theta plus 2 plus 1 upon tan theta. Tan square theta is equals to 4. Now let us take this 2 here at the right hand side, and it will be negative. Correct or not? So it will be negative. Okay. So let us shift it to right hand side, and it will be negative. So what will happen? Tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is equals to 4 minus 2, and that is 2. And hence it is proved. Hence it is proved. So it was a special type of question where what we have done, we have taken tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta is equals to 2. Then we took square at both the sides. We use this formula, a plus b bracket square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. And we open the bracket, and this 2 when we shift it to right hand side, that is 4 minus 2, it is 2. And thus we got the answer. Did every one of you understood? Then please reply so that we can move forward. Please reply fast. And please do reply whether the screen is clear or not. I have a doubt on about. So if my voice and screen both are clear, please reply that. Both of you, Naren and Arnav. So that we move forward. Did everything is clear? And if you understood, then only we can move forward. I think we should move forward. So let's move towards the 10th question of today. And this question is the last question, I must say. And if you want extra, then I will be taking in the evening. Okay, everyone. So let us start from LHS. Both of you reply me. I can't see your replies now. But still I continue teaching. 1 minute only. So see here, everyone. What is the question? The question is like this. Tan A upon 1 plus tan square. Okay, Naren. Okay, Naren. So my voice is also clear and everything is visible. It's very good sign. And so now see here. This is the 10th question. And what is given? LHS is equals to tan A upon 1 plus tan square A bracket square plus cot A upon 1 plus cot square A bracket square. Okay. So now here we are going to get converted into. So now let's convert it into 1 plus tan square A. Just reply me. What is the answer of 1 plus tan square A? By using trigonometric identity, that 1 plus tan square A is equals to sec square A. Do you remember that? Two trigonometric identities here we are going to use, that 1 plus tan square A is equals to sec square A, and 1 plus cot square A is equals to cosec square A. So these two identities we are going to use. So in place of 1 plus tan square A, I am going to write sec square A. In place of 1 plus cot square A, I am going to write cosec square A. Okay, everyone. So yes, Naren. So see here, everyone, now. What will happen? Tan A will remain as it is, and 1 plus tan square A, it will be sec square A, and it's square of sec square A plus cot A, and 1 plus cot square A means cosec square A and bracket square. So let us write it square, that is 4. 2 into 2, 4. So tan A upon sec 4A plus cot A upon cosec 4A. But here answer is there in sine and cos. So let us convert all this trigonometric ratio into sine and cos. तर आता आपण ह्या ट्रिग्नॉमेट्रिक रेशोजला साइन अँड कॉसमध्ये कन्वर्ट करत आहोत. सो टॅन ए म्हणजे काय? साइन ए अपॉन कॉस ए, आणि सेक म्हणजे 1 अपॉन कॉस. सो 1 अपॉन सेक 4A म्हणून 1 अपॉन कॉस 4A. सिमिलरली ह्याचं पण कॉट आणि कोसेकचं पण कन्वर्जन आपण साइन अँड कॉसमध्ये करत आहोत. सो व्हॉट इज दॅट कॉट? दॅट इज कॉस ए अपॉन साइन ए, and cosec means 1 upon sine. So cosec raised to 4 means 1 upon sine raised to 4a. तर आता इथे एक गोष्ट खूप लक्षात ठेवायची आहे सगळ्यांनी, दॅट इज आपण काय करायचं आहे, हा साईन आहे, हा 1 2 3 4. तर हा जो थर्ड वन असतो तो सेकंड बरोबर जातो आणि हा जो फोर्थ वन असतो तो फर्स्ट बरोबर जातो. सो साईन ए ह्याच्या बरोबर कोण येणार, हा कॉस 4 येणार अपॉन काय होणार, कॉस ए, प्लस हा कॉस ए बरोबर कोण येणार, हा साईन 4 ए आणि खाली साईन ए. तर हा कॉस ए जाईन आणि हा एक कॉस जाईन तर 3 राहील, हा साईन जाईन आणि हा 3 राहील. तर आता काय आहे इकडे, साईन ए कॉस क्यूब ए आणि कॉस ए साईन क्यूब ए. तर साईन ए कॉस ए कॉमन घेऊ, काय घेऊया, साईन ए कॉस ए. तर हा साईन ए बाहेर आला, हा कॉस क्यूबमधला एक कॉस बाहेर आला तर किती राहिले, कॉस स्क्वेअर ए. त्याचप्रमाणे हा कॉस ए आणि हा साईन क्यूबमधला एक साईन बाहेर आला म्हणजे काय राहणार, साईन स्क्वेअर ए. आणि तुम्हाला माहिती आहे कॉस स्क्वेअर प्लस साईन स्क्वेअर दॅट इज अ ट्रिग्नॉमेट्रिक आयडेंटिटी अँड इट्स आन्सर इज 1. सो साईन ए कॉस ए इंटू 1. ट्रिग्नॉमेट्रिक आयडेंटिटी यूज केली, साइन स्क्वेअर ए प्लस कॉस स्क्वेअर ए 1. सो वॉट इज लेफ्ट, दॅट इज साइन ए इंटू कॉस ए and that is only my RHS. Hence it is proved. So please every one of you answer me fast. Actually मी अजून 2 सम करणार होते पण मग मी विचार केला की स्टुडंट्स जॉईन झाले नाही आहे, तर तुम्ही म्हणला तर मी ते सम्स घेईन, अदरवाईज वी विल एंड. तर प्लीज पटकन आन्सर करा. Yes, Dhanashri, just I think you have joined. It's very good sign. Others also. एंड करू अर्णव, ओके ओके ओके. धनश्री तू आहे का, तर अर्णव काय करू का संध्याकाळी घेऊ, कारण आत्ता स्टुडंट्स कमी आहे, मला असं वाटतं की इव्हिनिंगला मी घेते. सो वॉट एव्हर आय हॅव डन मी ती लिंक पाठवते आणि बाकीच्या स्टुडंट्सला करायला सांगते. अर्णव नंतर म्हणतोय. नरेन तू काय म्हणतोय पहा, नरेन प्लीज रिप्लाय फास्ट. नरेननी रिप्लाय नाही दिला अजून, कारण नरेन आणि अर्णवच रिप्लाय देत होते. सो 10 सम्स तर मी घेतलेले आहेत. ओके चालेल, मग मी नंतरच घेते. 10 सम्स मी घेतलेले आहेत. ओके so bye everyone, we will meet in class. Till then have a nice day. Bye bye everyone, bye.